Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can format number in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Here I have my Google Sheets opened and I have created a table in my spreadsheet and we're going to format this price column. So the first thing we have to do is selecting the column like this. We can tap and hold on the column and we can drag it down. After that, we can click on this A button. And then we can click on cell right here, guys. Then we can scroll down until we find number format, and it's over here, so you just have to tap on it and then select the number format that you want. You can choose automatic, plain text, number, percent, scientific, accounting, and I'm just going to click on number, this one. Then as you can see that the number format has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can format number in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.